everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this mirror, but let's kind of get right into this. So as you can see, this is a great gift for your mother. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. They do have a few different options to choose from. This is the one that I got. It says, "To my mom, I love you today, tomorrow, and forever. As you look in the mirror, I hope you see what I see. You are beautiful. I love you." And it says that on both sides. And you're going to open it up. And then we're going to put this right here. You're going to have this mirror right there. I'm trying to face it up so it doesn't reflect the light and everything. But it's a really good size mirror. You can see it's like bigger than my whole hand. Great for just putting your makeup on, and then you're gonna lay it like this, and then that is how it stays open. So very nice. So you can actually take this if you're like going on vacation or something, because it does collapse down to nothing, and then you just open it up like this. So a portable mirror. I like to use stuff like this, and if depending on like how you want it, you can also, like if you need it more lean, you can do that. But I like to use these like when I'm applying lashes or anything like that. I don't require like a light, or if I'm on vacation, a lot of times I'll just do my makeup in front of a mirror because I do use a lot of lights and stuff. So this is great. Good quality and everything. The mirror is nice and large, but this is a really good gift idea for your mother. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.